To check your transaction history on Discord, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it through a web browser by visiting the Discord website. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log into your Discord account. Ensure you are using the account associated with the transactions you want to check. Step 3. Access user settings. Once logged in, look for the gear icon user settings located at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Navigate to billing. In the user settings menu, find and click on the billing section. This area contains information related to your purchases and subscriptions. Step 5. View transaction history. In the billing section, you will see your transaction history listed. Review the details of each transaction, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Discord. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.